Chinese kitchen and travel. Hope you are well. Today I am making very simple authentic Maharashtrian snack called as Kothimbir vadi. I am gonna make this in different way using Idli maker. So it's too simple. Let's start. Here I have taken 2 bunch of coriander and I have removed the yellow and the rotten leaves. Then I have washed the coriander and spread on tissue paper to dry it completely. Then you can chop it and then keep it in the bowl. Now add 1 cup of gram flour. Then add half cup of rice flour, which makes our Kothimbir vadi very crispy and crunchy. Then add a 1 tablespoon of green chili garlic paste, which is optional or as per your need. Then add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Then 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Then salt as per your taste. Then the 1 spoon of sesame seeds. And the last 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Now give it a mix. Mix everything well together without adding any water. It's very easy to mix it by hand. Now add a little water and mix it properly so that the dough becomes with this consistency. Now add 1 teaspoon of oil. Here you can see the consistency of my dough. Now take the idli maker and grease it with the oil so that it don't stick it. Now I am greasing it all my pans and then I will add this dough on my idli maker pan and I'll put it in all the pans together. Here you can see I have added the Kothimbir dough in all my pans of idli maker. Now I am putting this idli maker in my steamer. Here in this steamer I have taken 1 cup of water which I boiled it for 5 minutes. Then I am going to put this idli maker in this steamer and steam it for at least 20 minutes. So after steaming on medium flame for 20 minutes, I am going to take out this Kothimbir vadi or idli. So here you can put the knife and see if it doesn't stick. That means it is well cooked. So now let's take it out. Here I took 1 plate and greased with some oil and put some sesame seed on it. Now I am going to remove this Kothimbir vadi and put it on the plate so that the seeds will stick to it. Now we are going to shallow fry this. You can also eat this Kothimbir vadi as it is. My family loves them to eat as it is, but today I'm going to shallow fry it. Heat oil in a pan and shallow fry this Kothimbir vadi, steam Kothimbir vadi until it becomes little golden from both the sides. Tada! It's ready to eat. You can enjoy this crispy Kothimbir vadi cum idli with a sauce or with a cup of tea. So give it a try in your kitchen and enjoy this authentic Maharashtrian Kothimbir vadi cum idli and share your experiences in the comment box section. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.